Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use comment bank in Google Classroom. You share something related in doc related file and you can receive some suggestion of your colleague or your student or your supervisor related this particular any types of documentation using these tips and tricks. Someone are providing you as a step-by-step explanation how you change, where exactly you modify and how to do it. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Wrong. So simply first of all I open my Google Classroom and here I enter the 9th standard class. This is my Google Classroom. I want share one of project of my all students. So simply I select here announcement. I attach a file here and my file available on my physical operating system, and this is a doc file. Anyone very easily edit this one. Conversational AI for telecom industry, all student or specific student. Accordingly you can select specific students also. I am selecting as all student. So this document is posted and my Google Classroom. I click here and the document are providing much more project related information. Open with Google Doc and the document is open here. So here some portions is this same as it is in Google, Microsoft Google, and here options are come like pen related options. Add your task, simply add your task, and then addition, add comments or suggestion of this particular address or paragraph. So suppose for example I select this one and I added my point here. Can you please modify? So accordingly I will update this comment this one. So automatically this portions are highlighted and I am providing suggestion, can you please modify this sentence. Again I am providing this like here full form like this way, so automatically highlight. So you can provide as a step-by-step presentation of selecting this specific word and highlight on that particular paragraph or sentence on your student or your supervisor or anyone. You can share this particular document and modify or improve your project document before final submission. You can use these tips and tricks and modify and make perfect document using this features in Google Classroom. It's amazing and quite simple. In this point I am wrapped on my video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.